Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Product Reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 14 best treadmill with screen, perfect for home workouts that combine convenience, technology, and style. Whether you're aiming for intense cardio sessions, walking during work, or interactive training, these treadmills come packed with smart features, foldable designs, and high-resolution screens that make every workout engaging and effective. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's explore these amazing treadmills and find the perfect fit for your home fitness journey. Heavy-duty Smart Treadmill. The heavy-duty Smart Treadmill is my go-to for high-intensity home workouts. I love its powerful motor, which supports running speeds without lag or interruptions, making it perfect for any fitness level. The large HD touchscreen allows me to stream workout classes, monitor stats, and track progress easily. Its durable frame and wide running belt give me a secure and comfortable stride every time. I appreciate the inbuilt incline options, which let me simulate hill runs at home, enhancing calorie burn and leg strength. Despite its robust build, it's surprisingly quiet, allowing me to exercise without disturbing the household. Whether for walking, jogging, or running, this treadmill combines technology, stability, and versatility, making it an excellent investment for anyone serious about home fitness. Home Office Foldable Treadmill. The Home Office Foldable Treadmill is a game changer for multitaskers like me. I can walk or jog while handling emails, video calls, or watching classes on the large integrated touchscreen. Its folding design makes storage easy, saving space in my home office. The treadmill is surprisingly sturdy for its compact size, supporting up to 250 pounds comfortably. I love the adjustable speed and incline, which allow me to customize workouts from light walking to moderate runs. The console tracks steps, distance, calories, and heart rate, giving me a clear view of my progress. Quiet and smooth, it doesn't disturb my work or meetings. For anyone wanting an efficient blend of exercise and productivity, this treadmill is an excellent choice that keeps me moving while staying productive. Under-desk folding treadmill. The under-desk folding treadmill is perfect for staying active without leaving your home workspace. I love how compact and low profile it is, easily sliding under my desk for discrete walking sessions. The LED display shows speed, distance, time, and calories, keeping me motivated throughout the day. It's lightweight yet sturdy, supporting steady walking without wobbling. I appreciate how quiet it is, allowing me to work or attend calls without distractions. Its folding design also makes storage simple when not in use. With adjustable speed settings, I can go from a casual stroll to a brisk pace depending on my mood. For anyone looking to improve health while working from home, this treadmill is a convenient, space-saving, and effective solution that keeps me moving during long office hours. Premium Foldable Smart Treadmill. The Premium Foldable Smart Treadmill combines luxury, technology, and space-saving design. I love its high-resolution touchscreen, which lets me stream fitness classes, follow running routes, and track my stats in real time. Its powerful motor supports walking and running, with the shock-absorbing deck ensures comfort and reduces joint stress. The treadmill folds neatly, making it ideal for apartments or home gyms. I appreciate the quiet operation, allowing early morning or late-night workouts without bothering anyone. Multiple incline options let me customize workouts to maximize calorie burn and strength. Whether I'm doing cardio, interval training, or casual walks, this treadmill delivers professional quality performance and smart features, making it a top choice for anyone seeking a premium home fitness solution. 3-in-1 Portable Treadmill. The 3-in-1 Portable Treadmill is perfect for versatility and compact living spaces. I love that it functions as a walking treadmill, jogging treadmill, and under-desk treadmill, adapting to all my workout needs. The LED display tracks steps, calories, distance, and time, helping me stay motivated. Its lightweight frame and folding design make it easy to store and move between rooms. Despite its portability, it's surprisingly sturdy and supports comfortable daily walking sessions. Quiet operation ensures I can exercise while watching videos or working. For anyone needing flexibility in their home fitness setup, this 3-in-1 treadmill is an excellent choice that combines compact design, smart tracking, and multiple workout modes for a convenient all-in-one fitness solution. Schwinn Home Exercise Treadmill. The Schwinn Home Exercise Treadmill is one of my favorites for balanced home workouts. Its robust motor handles running and jogging with ease, while the cushioned deck reduces impact on my joints. The large, user-friendly touchscreen allows me to track distance, speed, calories, and heart rate in real time. I love the variety of pre-programmed workouts and incline options, which keep each session challenging and engaging. It folds easily, saving space when not in use. The treadmill operates quietly, perfect for home use without disturbing others. Whether for daily walks, cardio sessions, or interval training, the Schwinn treadmill provides durability, comfort, and smart features, making it an ideal investment for anyone serious about home fitness. Smart Foldable Treadmill. The Smart Foldable Treadmill offers comfort and convenience. I love the shock-absorbing deck, which reduces strain on my knees and joints when running or walking. The integrated touchscreen tracks speed, distance, calories, and heart rate, helping me monitor progress easily. Its folding design is perfect for home gyms or apartments, making storage simple. I can adjust speed and incline for varied workouts, from light walking to brisk running. The treadmill is surprisingly quiet, allowing me to exercise without disturbing anyone. Lightweight yet sturdy, it provides stability during intense sessions. For anyone looking for a comfortable, smart, and space-saving treadmill, this folding cushion model combines performance, safety, and convenience for all fitness levels. Commercial Smart Foldable Treadmill. The Commercial Smart Foldable Treadmill offers professional-grade features in a home-friendly design. I love the large HD touchscreen, which streams fitness classes and monitors workout metrics in real time. Its powerful motor supports walking and running without interruptions, and the wide running belt ensures safety and comfort. Built-in incline options allow for a challenging cardio experience. Despite its commercial-grade durability, it folds easily for space-saving storage. Quiet operation makes it ideal for apartments or shared spaces. The treadmill tracks heart rate, calories, speed, and distance, helping me stay motivated. For anyone seeking a high-performance, smart treadmill for home or semi-professional use, the Commercial Foldable Treadmill delivers durability, technology, and functionality all in one package. 3-Function Home Treadmill. The 3-Function Home Treadmill is perfect for versatility. I love how it can be used as a traditional treadmill, under-desk walker, and foldable cardio machine. The LED display shows speed, time, calories, and distance, keeping me motivated. Its sturdy frame supports safe walking, jogging, or running. Folding design makes storage simple, and it's lightweight enough to move between rooms. Adjustable speed and incline options allow for tailored workouts. It operates quietly, ideal for early mornings or shared spaces. For anyone who wants flexibility, portability, and multiple workout options in one treadmill, this 3-function model is a smart, convenient, and effective solution for home fitness enthusiasts. Compact Home Cardio Treadmill. The Compact Home Cardio Treadmill is perfect for limited spaces. I love how small it is, yet it offers stable, smooth walking or jogging sessions. The touchscreen tracks steps, calories, distance, and time, making workouts engaging. Its folding design allows for easy storage under a bed or against a wall. The treadmill is surprisingly quiet, letting me exercise while watching videos or working from home. Adjustable speed settings accommodate both gentle walks and moderate runs. Lightweight but sturdy, it's easy to move around when needed. For anyone seeking a space-saving, reliable, and smart treadmill, this compact home cardio machine provides convenience, performance, and home workouts without taking up unnecessary room. Foldable Under-Desk Treadmill. The foldable under-desk treadmill is a must-have for staying active while working. I love how low profile it is, which fits under my desk without interfering with work. The LED display tracks distance, calories, and speed, helping me stay motivated throughout the day. Despite its compact size, it's sturdy enough to support consistent walking sessions. Folding design ensures easy storage when not in use. It's quiet, so I can walk while making calls or typing without distractions. Adjustable speed settings allow light to moderate walking. For anyone looking to improve health while working from home, this practical, space-saving, and effective solution keeps me moving during long office hours. Smart Track Connect Treadmill. The Smart Track Connect Treadmill combines interactive technology and home convenience. I love its HD touchscreen, which allows streaming workouts, connecting to fitness apps, and tracking stats in real time. Its motor supports walking, jogging, and running, while the cushioned deck reduces joint strain. Incline and speed options allow for challenging, customizable workouts. Despite its advanced features, it folds neatly for easy storage. The treadmill is quiet and stable, making home use seamless. I appreciate how it tracks heart rate, calories, distance, and speed, helping me stay motivated. For anyone wanting a connected, feature-packed treadmill for home fitness, the Smart Track Connect offers performance, technology, and comfort in one innovative package. Stamina Foldable Treadmill. The Stamina Foldable Treadmill is perfect for small spaces and smart workouts. I love the integrated touchscreen, which tracks speed, distance, calories, and heart rate while streaming guided workouts. Its folding design saves space
and allows easy storage. The cushioned deck provides comfort and reduces joint impact during walking or running. Adjustable speed and incline options make it versatile for different fitness levels. Despite being lightweight and foldable, it's stable and safe during workouts. Quiet operation allows me to exercise without disturbing the household. For anyone seeking an efficient, compact, and technologically advanced treadmill, this Stamina model delivers a perfect balance of performance, convenience, and home-friendly design. Echelon Stride Home Treadmill. The Echelon Stride Home Treadmill is my favorite for interactive home workouts. Its HD touchscreen lets me access live and on-demand classes while tracking calories, steps, distance, and heart rate. The treadmill supports walking and running with a stable, cushioned deck that protects my joints. Foldable design makes storage easy without sacrificing stability. Adjustable speed and incline options keep workouts challenging and customizable. I love how quiet it is, allowing me to exercise anytime without distractions. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's ideal for apartments, home gyms, or small spaces. For anyone seeking a smart, space-saving, and interactive treadmill, the Echelon Stride combines performance, technology, and comfort for a full home fitness experience. That's a wrap on our review of the top 14 best treadmill with screen and some of the smartest home fitness options available. Each treadmill we covered offers unique features, from foldable designs and under-desk options to high-tech screens and interactive workouts. Whether you're a beginner, a busy professional, or a fitness enthusiast, there's a treadmill here for everyone. Don't forget to check the description for links, prices, and more details. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Top Product Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest top product reviews and fitness gear insights.